Hello everyone. Welcome back to DuHu Academy. Have you ever heard about the Math Kangaroo competition? In this video, I will explain what Math Kangaroo is, why it is popular worldwide, and what kind of question do grade 1 and 2 students get. And finally, how to solve sample questions step by step. Let's begin. First of all, what is Math Kangaroo? Math Kangaroo is one of the world's largest international math competition for school students, and it is held every year in many countries and encourages children to develop logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Competition is not about memorizing formulas. Instead, it focuses on logical reasoning, pattern recognition, number sense, creative thinking, and also fun math. Students answer multiple choice questions that become progressively more challenging for grade 1 and 2 students. The questions are designed to be fun, visual, and age-appropriate. Why should children participate? Math Kangaroo helps children build confidence in math, improve critical thinking skills, learn to solve unfamiliar problems, develop persistence, as well as prepare for future math contests. Most importantly, it helps children realize that math can be exciting and enjoyable. Here is a sample question. Tom has 3 apples. His friend gives him 2 more apples. How many apples does Tom have now? Tom starts with 3 apples and he gets 2 more apples. So we add 3 plus 2, which is 5. So the correct answer is B, 5. This type of question tests basic addition skills. Here is another question. Which number comes next? 2, 4, 6, and 8. Each number is increasing by 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. The correct answer is B, 10. Math Kangaroo often includes pattern questions like this. Grandmother has 12 apples. How many more apples should she buy to give each grandchild the same number of apples? So grandmother has 5 grandchildren. So if each grandchild gets 1 apple, she needs 5 apples. If each gets 2, she needs 10. But if each gets 3, she needs 15 apples. So she needs to buy 3 more apples to give each grandchild the same number of apples. So the answer is D, 3. We will practice more questions in the coming videos. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Here are 5 tips for parents and students. 1. Practice regularly. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily helps. 2. Focus on understanding. Don't just memorize answers. 3. Learn patterns. Many questions involve number patterns. 4. Draw pictures. Pictures often make problems easier. 5. Have fun. Math Kangaroo rewards creative thinking more than speed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.